Good morning, sir, and good morning, one and all. Today, I am going to discuss about French classical menu, accompaniments, and their cover. So, as we are going to discuss about French classical menu, let's know how it is pronounced in French. It's called Menu Classique Français in French. The traditional French classical menu consists of 17 items, in which modern era are being reduced to 13 courses. And today we are going to discuss about 17 courses, which is the traditional French classical menu. So the courses are as follows: Odos, which is an appetizer; potage, which is a soup; oeufs, these are the dishes made with egg; farinaceous, here rice or pasta or some starch items are being used. Next is poisson, which are items made of fish. Next one is entree, which is the meat course, and so on, like sorbet, releve, roti, legumes, salad, buffet fruit, entremets, savories, fromage, desserts, and boissons. So the first course is others. Others are generally appetizers, and they are spicy in nature to stimulate the appetite for the next dishes. These are served in small quantities. Usually, one can have them in one or two bites, and they can also be served in front of guests by a trolley. So, the examples for these are Devils on Horseback, which is a savory bacon wrapped in dried dates. So, the cover for this will be a toothpick and a quarter plate. And generally, for an appetizer, we need a fork and also sometimes a knife. But here, these devils on horseback are equipped with toothpicks, so we just need a quarter plate. And the next thing is pigs in a blanket. These are mini crescent rolls with pork sausage. And we don't have any complement for this, but we definitely have one sauce for this, which is aioli sauce. So the cover will be toothpick and a ketchup cup. And the third example is shrimp in a fillo cup. Here, fillo sheets are shaped and baked, and then dressed with Thousand Island dressing and a lemon wedge as a garnish. The dish will be quarter plate. The second course is potage. Here, these are category of soups, stews, porridges in which meat, vegetable, grains, fruits or combination of the above ingredients are being boiled together with broth or water to serve in a soup bowl or a soup cup. The first example is cream of mushroom soup. Here the roux is thinned with milk or cream, and then mushrooms are being added to it. And accompaniments for this is parmesan bread twist. The table setup is soup bowl, soup spoon, and an underliner. And the second example is edamame bean soup. Here it can be considered as one of the healthiest soups with crunchy bits floating at top. The accompaniments are petit pate, which are bread rolls, and a butter dish which accompanies the bread roll. And the cover will be soup bowl, soup spoon, and an underliner, and an all-purpose knife for the butter. The third one is potage parmentier, which is a French potato leek soup garnished with whipping cream. And here toast of a French baguette and a butter dish is accompanied. And the table setup is soup bowl, soup spoon, and an underliner with all-purpose knife for the butter. Generally, for the soups, freshly baked bakery items like bread rolls, baguettes, and loaf slices are being accompanied. The third course is oof, which are the dishes made from eggs, and the different types of cooking methods include boiling, poaching, cocotte, scrambling, and many more. The first example is eggs and cocotte. Here it is baked in a flat bottom dish and seasoned with chives. Accompaniment for this is a toast of a French baguette, just a slice. The table setup is half plate, all purpose knife, and an all purpose fork. Here we can see it in the first picture. It is eggs and cocotte. The second example is asparagus at oof poach. Here asparagus is simmered in olive oil and boiled egg is placed above it. It is accompanied with a glass of red wine. Table setup is half plate, all-purpose knife and all-purpose fork and a red wine glass. The third example is classic French toast, where bread is dipped in egg and toasted together. It is garnished with melted butter and it is not an accompaniment. The butter is just a garnish. The cover will be half plate, all-purpose knife and all-purpose fork. And the next course is Farnicious. It includes different types of rice, pasta based dishes, and it also includes spaghetti, lasagna, gnocchi. The names are derived from their shape and their color. The first example is Casancelli. Here the pasta is being stuffed with some stuffing and edges are being sealed. Table setup will be full plate, all-purpose fork, all-purpose knife to cut. And the second example is macaroni Italian. The L-shaped pasta with they are made with a drum wheat. The cover will be full plate and all-purpose fork. And the third example is gnocchi alla Sonia. These are prepared with potatoes or semolina, and herbs and flour, cornmeal are being added to enhance the taste. The table setup will be full plate and all-purpose fork. The next course is poison, and these are the dishes made with fish and being soft fibered. They are prepared. They prepares the palate for the heavier meats that follows in the next courses. The first example is salmon relates. These are made with skinless salmon fillets. The table setup will be half plate, fish knife, and a fork. As we can see in the picture, salmon relates are being accompanied with toast of French baguettes. The second example is piquillo pepper and sardine tartines. These are filled in baguette slices and garnished with sriracha sauce. The cover will be half plate, fish knife, and a fork. The third example is classic sole Meunier. Here the skin of the fish is being removed, dredged, and fried. The cover will be half plate, fish knife, and fork. Next one is entree, and this is the first meat course in the French classical menu. And these are generally garnished and comes directly from the kitchen along with the rich gravy. The first example is chicken enchiladas with celery salsa. Here the chicken is shredded, cooked, and enchiladas sauce, buffalo style sauce, and ranch dressing are been added to enhance the taste. Accompaniments are celery salsa. Table setup will be full plate, all-purpose knife, and all-purpose fork. The second example is seared scallop with brown butter. Here scallops are cooked in a pan, and in the same pan lemon sauce is being prepared. And the accompaniments is lemon risotto, and this is different from the lemon sauce. And the table setup is full plate, all-purpose knife, and all-purpose fork. The third example is pork chop with figs and grape adolce. Here grapes and figs are cooked in same pan where the vinegar, honey are being cooked, and these are dipped in cooked pork before eating. Accompaniments will be mashed potatoes, and table setup will be full plate, all-purpose knife, and all-purpose fork. The next course is relay, which is the main course of the menu. Here, meat is consumed in bigger quantities like joints. And the best accompaniments are potatoes along with some green vegetables to provide the nutritional values. And the first one is grilled Montreal flank with charred tomato salsa. A robust marinade of pepper, garlic, adds the zesty baldness to the stick, and rounded with char tomato salsa. Accompaniments are char tomato salsa, and cover will be full plate, all purpose knife, and all purpose fork. The second example is grilled chili pork tenderloin. Spices are mixed and applied on chicken ribs, and then the whole thing is grilled. The accompaniments are chimichurri and roasted vegetables. Cover will be full plate, all purpose knife, and all purpose fork. Third example is crock pot ribs. Here we need to allow the ribs to cook slow till they become tender, and we need to finish up with barbecue rib sauce. The accompaniments are corn on cob. The table setup is full plate, all purpose knife, and all purpose fork. And the next course is sorbet. Here, sorbet can be considered as resting time between the courses, where the flavored water in form of ice is being served. And once upon a time, different flavors of cigars are being served. But in the health perspective, they are being banned now. So modern sorbets are made with water, crushed ice, fruit flavor, and champagne, and they are served in a glass, mostly a champagne glass. The examples are watermelon sorbet, where melon is being frozen, blended and shaped with scoop, and garnished with a lemon wedge. Table setup is dessert spoon, cocktail martini glass, and banana and plum sorbet. Banana gives creamy texture, where plum gives the perfect tang. The table setup is dessert spoon and specialized champagne glass. Mango sorbet. Mangoes are blended and shaped, and a pinch of salt and a few drops of lemon juice for the perfect tangy flavor. Table setup will be dessert spoon, shallow champagne glass. Next course is roti. It is a roast of poultry where each dish is accompanied with own sauce or gravy. Green salad is generally served along with roti to ensure the nutritional values. The first example is tender pot roast. Here beef is cut and cooked in low flame till it becomes tender. Accompaniments are boiled potatoes and carrots. Usually they are boiled in same water for the maximum flavor. The table setup is full plate, all-purpose knife and all-purpose flour. The second example is Julia's Child's cocoa bean. They are prepared with combination of cuts of bacon, chicken breast, and chicken leg paste. The topmost accompaniment is just mushrooms. Yes, the mushrooms add the perfect flavor to it. And we can also add boiled potatoes or green salad in place of mushroom if some people prefer it as allergic. And the table setup is full plate, all purpose knife, and all purpose fork. The third example is marinated roast beef. It's a marinade where it is cooked along with Worcestershire sauce and chopped garlic and Dijon mustard, along with some spices. The complements are mashed potatoes, and the table setup will be full plate, all purpose knife, and all purpose fork. The next course is legume, and these are purely vegetable dishes served with their respective sauces or some butter. The first example is mesdoin the legume, where mesdoin cuts of beans, potato, carrot are being sauteed in butter pan. And the table setup will be half plate and all purpose fork. The second example will be potato croquettes. Here potatoes are mashed, rolled and dipped in egg and floured and fried. The dressing is tomato ketchup and the table setup will be half plate all purpose fork. And the third example is steamed asparagus. Here the dried end is chopped, steamed and buttered and just salted. And at last vinaigrette dressing is being given. The table setup is half plate, all purpose knife and all purpose fork. Salads. Salads are the various types of raw and cooked vegetables seasoned with oil and dressings. The first example is Creole green bean salad. Desired veggies are cut into brunoise cut and the egg is fried and placed at top. The table setup will be salad bowl, half plate and a fork. The second example is tomato peach salad, where tomato is cut into vertical slices and peach into wedges. Vinegar and olive oil is being used as dressing. The table setup will be salad bowl, half plate and fork. The third example is healthy tuna salad. Mayonnaise and yogurt are used for the creamy texture along with the lemon sauce. And a toast of bread slice is used as a complement. The table setup will be salad bowl, half plate and a fork. Buffet fried. Buffet fried is basically a cold buffet. Here small pieces, generally small, of meat are served. The first example is Borsellino salami. It's a dried cured meat and table setup will be half plate, all-purpose fork and all-purpose knife. The second example is chicken liver pate. Here chicken liver is salted in butter and little of brandy. The table setup will be half plate, all-purpose fork and all-purpose knife. The third example is chicken pork terrine, which is made by mince of turkey and pork. The cover will be half plate, all-purpose fork and all-purpose knife. Entremets. Entremets are known as sweets and they include all hot and cold sweet, gâteau, souffle or an ice cream. The first example is matcha goma mousse cake and it's a four-layered cake with sesame seeds and green tea as topping. As we can see in the picture, the topping is done with green tea and the table setup will be quarter plate and dessert fork. The second example is orange meringue, which is made with orange juice, lemon juice, sugar, corn, starch, and water. The table setup will be quarter plate and dessert fork. The third example is caramel coffee, which is a perfect blend of caramel and coffee flavor, and usually they are spear shaped. The table setup is quarter plate and dessert fork. Savories. Savories are the dishes which taste in pungent, or simply we can call them as a pickled fruit. They are usually served hot. The first example is creamy sun-dried tomato with chicken zoodles. Sun-dried tomatoes and cheese are infused in chicken strips and they are fried in zoodles and served hot. Table setup will be noodle bowl or half plate and a fork. And the second example is brown butter honey garlic salmon. Garlic and pepper are sprinkled on salmon and they are fried in butter and honey is poured over it, which is completely optional. And the table setup will be half plate, all purpose knife and all purpose fork. The third example is Italian pesto meatballs. The meat used here is beef and especially grass fed beef is considered. And the table setup is half plate, all purpose fork. Fromage. These are cheese dishes and all type of cheese are served with appropriate accompaniments and we can think that cheese itself is a small item. So the accompaniments here are pepper, salt, bread rolls or similar bakery goods. The first example is queso fresco, which is made with cow's milk or goat milk or combination of both is acidified with lemon or vinegar. Table setup is quarter plate, all-purpose fork and all-purpose knife. Second example is feta, which is salty cheese made with goat milk. The table setup is quarter plate, all-purpose fork and all-purpose knife. The third example is chevra, which is seed cheese made with goat milk. The table setup is quarter plate, all-purpose fork and all-purpose knife. Desserts. It's a typical course which here after this course the eating period ends and they contain nuts, freshly cut vegetables or dishes which are made with fruits. The first example is lemon scented blueberry cupcakes. Blueberries and flour are mixed along with the lemon zest to extract the perfect scented flavor of lemon. The table setup is quarter plate and dessert for. The second example is raspberry rhubarb pie. An equal combination of raspberries and rhubarb are being used for perfect flavor of the pie. Table setup is quarter plate and a dessert for. The third example is walnut brownies. It's a classical fudge where walnuts are added to the batter before baking. The table setup is quarter plate and dessert for. Boisons. Here all type of cold and hot beverages are being served, and this is the last course of the menu. And here the classical French classical menu ends. The first example is tisane, which is herbal tea where infusion of herbs, fruits, and bark, flavors, and spices gives the perfect aroma and taste. The table setup is Tasse Cafe, which is basically a coffee cup, and underliner and tablespoon. The second example is Cafe Vienna, which is Viennese coffee, and the table setup will be Tasse Cafe, underliner, and tablespoon. And the third example is Cafe Gourmand, which is gourmet coffee, and the table setup is Tasse Cafe, underliner, and a tablespoon. Here, Tasse Cafe is a coffee cup in French language. So here is a glance of the French classical menu, where odos, potage, ouf, and farnishes are served as starter, and poisson, entrée, sorbet, relève, roti, legumes, salad, buffet fruit are served as main course, and entremets, savory, fromage, dessert, and boissons are served as after course, which comes after main course.